baby.
Last assembled with you.
Hey, another day in the bay. On our road to San Francisco, you feel me? So this is the first vlog I'm bringing y'all on my Mustang right here. Drive around here in the Bay Area with it, know what I'm saying? So I just got this here Mustang off my new job at Ford, selling cars. This is my full-time job. My part-time job, I do 24-hour fitness. I'm a sales rep at both jobs. So, car dealership, I sell cars. 24-hour fitness, I sell gym memberships and personal training. Know what I'm saying? So yeah, this Mustang is lit. You know what I mean? Hella lit, as you can see. You hear it? I hope you can hear it. It's fire, I know that much. 2015, $20,000, 30,000 miles only. The Jam Mobile, for real, for real. My other option would have been the 2025 Mustang, but that thing would have been another $10,000 more that I could just pocket for real. I mean, so yeah. We on our road to San Francisco. On these pendants right here, I'm putting an installation payment plan on those as well. I owe $3,800 on the pendants. On this car, I owe $20,000, so that's $23,800. After that, my goal is to move to San Francisco. You feel me? And I will do it. I'm gonna get a high-rise apartment, studio apartment, a high-rise though with a crazy view. So this is fire as hell right here. Driving this red Mustang right here. It's lit as hell for real. Let's get it. We're about to hit the highway with it. Let's see what it do. Let's see what it do. They zooming, baby. Crazy for real, huh? About to go home. About to hang out with the fam. On our road to San Francisco. That's my mission in life. That's my goal. I will move to SF. You better believe it. Know what I mean? Alright, we're about to take this exit coming up. Break my stride. gotta chill. We're off the highway, let's chill. We're pulling and bulling. Oh. Hopefully we'll be able to play COD today. We've been running at BO4 zombies a lot lately. I haven't touched Black Ops 6 for a while. We run that mainly over on the Hazard Clan channel. Make sure you guys subscribe with notifications, drop a like, drop a comment, subscribe to the Hazard Clan with notifications, buy the merch. Link to everything is in the description, you feel me? Dude, this Mustang is lit. Holy shit. We be really going for a about to go to the cribs key. But yeah, if you want to check out my Call of Duty streams, make sure you subscribe to the Hazard Clan YouTube channel. Link is of course in the description. We could go, right? Yeah, it's green anyway. Go to the crib. Ain't nothing gonna break my stride. Type shit. My favorite rapper is Future. Who's y'all's favorite rapper, bro? Let me know in the chat. Actually, my favorite rapper is Jam. Fuck you talking about? I'm the #1 lifter / rapper / gamer and Hazard Clan leader. Fuck you talking about? We're gonna make it to the top, baby. I'm gonna be in that SF high rise. You feel me? Fuck you talking about? Just live life for real, for real. That's what we do. We just live life for real. We just enjoy every day, bruh. Every day, get to the money, enjoy that shit. We lit. We in the back streets with it. So hey, y'all know what to do. Links to everything is in the description, man. Thanks for watching. Love y'all. Have a good one. Catch y'all in the next one, baby. Until then, goodbye.